Hello again. Someone is asking, could you please explain the difference between file and folder? What is your name? Can you spell it? What is your address? What is your telephone number? 5. What is your date of birth? What is your height? What is your weight? Now, I have a file on you. File has many meanings. One meaning is a collection of related information or data. But the word has a very interesting history. 2,000 years ago, the Latin word phylum, pronounced phylum, meant this. This entered English as feel and became file. We do not use the word file now for this. We use the word thread. But we still use the word file in expressions like in single file. For example, the soldiers are walking in single file. But why do we call this a file? Well, 500 years ago, we joined related pieces of paper with a file. So, for example, this file contains tax information from 1649. This file contains information about you, and this file contains information about him. Easy. Folder comes from the verb to fold. So I fold the paper. I have made a folder. A folder is a thing that can contain papers. Unfortunately, there is not an international standard of naming. So this can be called a folder, a file, or a binder. I call this a folder. I call this a lever arch folder, but some people call it a lever arch file, and in America it would probably be called a 2-ring binder, because in America they usually have 3 rings and this only has 2. However, I can definitely put my files in the folder, and we use these words for computers too. Files contain information or data, and we store them in folders. So here I have some files and they are in a folder. I hope that helps a little, and I'll see you next time. Bye.